Hello everyone, this is Success Infotech, where we simplify tech for you. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable powerful hidden feature in Windows 11 called GodMode. It is a hidden folder that gives you quick access to nearly all of Windows settings, all in one place. Let's dive right in and I'll walk you through how to enable GodMode in just a few simple steps. To enable God mode in Windows 11, we need to right click on the desktop and then we go to new and then we go to folder. Now we are going to rename this folder with a specific string. Okay, so I have this string here. So let me copy and paste it in the rename. So I'll close this and then I'll rename it to that string. I'll leave the string at the description below. So once you enter, it changes to the control panel icon. So once double clicked, it brings you to the God mode. So this mode gives you access to the control panel settings, everything with regards to settings, okay, control panel and settings of Windows. So supposing you want to search for user account, you want to create a user account, you don't have to be going to start and then you look for settings and then user account. Everything is at one place, okay? So you type user account. So now you see we have user account. So you can manage the user account from here. Supposing you want to work with printers, okay? So you can search from here printers. So let me go to the search. So we have devices and printers. So you can add a printer, you can add a device, you can add a Bluetooth device. So it's very easier to use the Windows mode. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please, if you find value in this video, kindly support this channel by smashing on the subscribe button and clicking on the bell notification icon for videos like this. I will really appreciate that. Thank you.